Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn working with the repositories in the TypeORM. In the TypeORM, repositories are used to manage and interact with the entities. A repository provides an abstraction layer for handling the CRUD operations specific to an entity type. It is more specialized than the entity manager, which works across entities, while repository is more focused on one particular entity. As we have already discussed in the entity, what will happen if we are using the entities, so they have to work across entities. Okay, if we are using the entity manager, right? And if we are using the repositories, is focused more on the particular entity. Repositories allow more complex queries and are generally more convenient for common operations like finding, inserting, updating for a specific entity. Key features of repositories: specifics to the entities. Simplified CRUD operations provides method like save, find one, delete, more, which are tailored to the entity. Custom queries. You can use custom queries for more advanced queries like filtering and the sorting. Have a look of that one. So how we are going to call it? So here you can see that we have a app data source. Okay, so here you can see that app data source dot get repository. Which one? User repository. If we have another repository like profile, posts, courses, students, so you have to mention it over here. So this is specific to that part. Okay, not like the repositories, not like the entity. Okay, as we are doing the repository part. Okay, because in the entity we have a global declaration and we can use it, or it is a centralized way, but in the repository it is a specific to that entity. Okay, so here you can see that to create a new user, we have defined here, you can see user repository. Okay, so if you have the profile repository, it would be the another one entity. If we have the course repository, it would be the another one. Okay, so this is how it works, right? Like delete with this one, delete user id you have to pass. Okay, so this is that one, right? This is explanation. Creating a new user save method will help to insert a new user. If the user already exists, based on the primary key, it will update the existing record. Find all users, we have a method that is find method, retrieve all the records to the user entity. Find by user id, there is also method that is find one. Okay, and for updating, we have the user instance we have to create and calling the save function that will update the database. For deleting, we have to use the delete repository, user repository dot delete user id you have to pass. Okay, so what would be the main difference of the entity manager and the repository? The one of the most common difference is entity manager is best when you want the centralized point of to manage the multiple entities or to perform the cross entity operations, but in the repository is useful when focusing on a specific entity with multiple complex operations, providing more specialized methods for querying, updating, or managing a single entity type. So this is the main difference. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.